In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your products in bulk using the Nito export tool. In this example, I want to update all of my stock quantities for my products without having to do this one by one. To begin, simply click Settings and Tools and Export Data. Under the data type, just make sure you select Products, and then we're going to use the Complex Export tool. So click that, and then click Start Data Export Wizard. Okay, and then from here you want to give your file a name. I'm going to call it products, and then click continue to next step. In this section we need to define what we want to export, so click add new field to file, and then we want to select product data, and then we want to select SKU. Second piece of information we want to collect, go to product data, and we want quantity in stock. Now you can obviously continue to do this with more data fields if you wish. You have a whole list of items here that you can export. We just want quantity in stock, so we'll get rid of that and click continue to next step. In here you can filter the results, so you can do it by certain category, whether they're active or not, and by price, and by many other features. But we're going to ignore all this and just click continue to next step. Now, where do we want the export file sent to? We want to do local URL, okay, and then just click export now. Click OK, and a process would have been generated in order to receive that file. So all we need to do is click on that export process. We're going to hurry the process up to make it a lot quicker and click run now. And we can see that's running. We can click this button to see once it's finished. And once it's finished, we want to go back and we want to click on that URL, and that will download our spreadsheet. Open up that spreadsheet and we can see our SKUs and our quantity and stock, which is currently on Nito. So say for example we want to update that to 10 of everything. Okay, we can save that onto our desktop. Click yes. Close that file. Now we want to import that data back into Nito. To do that, we go to Settings and Tools, and we go to Import Data. And again, the type of data we want to import, products. Now click Perform Complex Import, and click Start using Data Import Wizard. Okay, select our file, which is the products CSV that we just saved. Then we want to click Continue to Next Step. This is the field mapping section. So basically what this does is it's a section where it tries to define the column names that you have on your spreadsheet, which is in this one here, into the field in Nito. So for example, in our spreadsheet we've got a column name called SKU, and then it's asking us where do we want to define that in Nito. So we obviously want it to go to the SKU field in Nito. In our spreadsheet we've got a quantity on stock column, and then it's saying ignore column here, which means it doesn't understand where it needs to go to on Nito. So let's have a look at all the fields that we have available in Nito. And what we've got is we've actually got two warehouses set up. So what we want to do is we want to send that to quantity on stock in our Capalaba warehouse. So we select that, and then we click continue to next step. Okay, and how do you want to update your database? What we want to do is we want to click Update Existing Products Only. So that will prevent any new products from being created by accident in case you make any mistakes. Click Continue to Next Step. Click Process File. Click OK. And that import process has been created. Now click on that link. We want to again hurry up the process, so we click Run Now. And refresh that. Yeah, we go to Products, View Products. And we go into one of our products here. And we go to Stock Control. And you can see in our Capella Bar warehouse that we've got now 10 in stock. And that's all there is to it.